BJP regime has further intensified its brutal repression in occupied Kashmir as the occupation forces martyred a Kashmiri youth, arrested at least 8 pro-freedom activists, confiscated the land belonged to 4 individuals and dismissed 2 Muslim government employees within the 24 hours. The youth was martyred during a cordon and search operation in the Chatru forest area of the Kishtwar today. The operation, which began on Wednesday, continued today with the heavy troop deployment. Indian forces carried out sweeping house raids across the Bandipora district, arresting 8 Hurriyat activists identified as Nazir Ahmad, Sheikh Danish, Tahir Ahmad, Ghulam Deen, Khurshid Ahmad, Muhammad Shafi, Abdul Majid Gojri and Abdul Majid Lone. They all have been booked under the draconian the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. During the raids, the troops also harassed the family members, seized the bank documents, religious books and the electronic devices. New Delhi imposed administration under the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha confiscated 15 canals and 7 marlas of the agricultural land in the Ganderbal and the Poonch districts. The land belongs to Firdaus Ahmad, Muhammad Ramzan, Muhammad Ayub and Muhammad Bashir and was seized without the legal process under the UAPA. Occupied Kashmir administration arbitrarily terminated 2 Muslim government employees, Basharat Ahmad Mir from Srinagar and Ishtiaq Ahmad Malik from the Islamabad district. Both were dismissed on the pretext of the alleged pro-freedom activities without trial or the right to appeal. Senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq was once again placed under house arrest today, preventing him from offering the congregational prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid in Srinagar. Taking to the social media platform X, Mirwais called the move heartbreaking and outrageous, denouncing the authorities for continuously trampling on his basic religious rights with impunity.